Hello and welcome to the next part of the Microsoft Fabric information and training. And in the previous video, we discussed about what Microsoft Fabric is, and this time we are just exploring practically by going to the website and logging in to Microsoft Fabric. So this is the when you first log into Microsoft Fabric, you will get this interface as the experience. It covers a Power BI, Data Factory, Synapse Data Engineering, Synapse Data Science, and Warehouse, as well as real-time analytics. Um, there's a link for the documentation as well as the community exploration as well. But in general, in order to see this page, first you need to enable this from the tenant setting and start a free trial based on the tenant settings. I've already done that. I'll share a link how to enable the tenant setting for you. But once you have enabled Microsoft Fabric from the tenant and then started off with uh, the free trial, then you can see this page, and you can go through all the different experiences of the individual elements that were separated out previously. So let's get started with the experiences, individual experiences and individual interfaces that will be opening up in Power BI. So I'll start off with in the reverse order, like Synapse real-time analytics. And if I click on this one, it gives us the information related to everything that is used for real-time analytics. This is KQL database, KQL query set, event stream. Then we can also use a sample data in the workspace to enable and to see the functionality of the real-time analytics. Okay, if you see here, there is kind of uh, an experience tab where we can switch to different experience. We can also go back to the home page. So like clicking on going back to the home page, it changes to Microsoft Fabric, but we can go to Synapse real-time analytics, and can see the page experience based on that. We are going back and we are just opening up the Synapse data warehouse this time. And in that data warehouse, we are given options to click on the warehouse, sample warehouse, data pipelines, and data flow as well. And this gives us all the information related to creating a data warehouse and updating it, and through updating it through the channel. Next is the data science. Data science gives us the model experience as well as the experiment of the to test the model, as well as it also gives us opportunity to create a notebook with Python and different languages, and also using some sample data to work on. And there are some recommendation as well, like getting started with ML experiments, getting started with the notebooks. Next is data engineering, and data engineering gives us Lakehouse notebooks, Spark jobs, as well as some other aspects as well. We can create a new Lakehouse and then work on that one. We will show this in the next coming videos as well. Next is the data factory, and data factory just gives us the data pipeline, data what we call it, data flows to bring in the data to transform the data accordingly. And last thing is about Power BI, and in Power BI, it is the same that gives us the options related to the Power BI experience.